Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to hide your about from unwanted peoples. Choose your WhatsApp. Tap on the three dots on the top right corner to access the settings. Here you can see the settings option. Tap on it and reach the privacy option and tap on it. Here you can see the about option on your WhatsApp. Here you can see various options. Everyone, my contacts, my contact accepted, or nobody. By choosing these options or selecting these options, you can make your WhatsApp about, you can hide your WhatsApp about from others. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.